Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this equation to find C value. Solution: C plus C equal to C times C. 3C equal to C cube. Now we are moving this right hand side. So C cube minus 3C equal to 0. Now we are going to take 1C from this. So C open bracket C square minus 3 close the bracket equal to 0. Now C equal to 0 is one equation. Other one is C square minus 3 equal to 0. This 3 can be written as 3 equal to square root of 3 whole square. C square minus square root of 3 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, we know this formula: a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get C minus square root of 3 C plus square root of 3 equal to 0. Here we are able to see two equations. One is C minus square root of 3 equal to 0, comma C plus square root of 3 equal to 0. Now this can be written as C equal to, we are moving this right hand side, so square root of 3. Here C equal to minus square root of 3. So we have C equal to 0, comma square root of 3, comma minus square root of 3. We have total 3 solutions for this equation. Now let us verify this. C equal to 0. In the equation, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0 times 0 times 0. So here 0 equal to 0. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify this. C equal to square root of 3. Now C plus C plus C equal to C times of C times C. In this equation we are going to substitute the square root of 3. So we'll get square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 equal to square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. So we have able to see 3 square root of 3 here. So 3 square root of 3, this equation we can write equal to, here square root of 3 and square root of 3 can be written as this one, square root of 3 whole square times square root of 3. So this square and square root will get cancel each other. So 3 square root of 3 equal to this 3 square root of 3. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify this with C equal to minus square root of 3. The equation is C plus C plus C equal to C times of C. Now minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 equal to minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. Now this can be written as minus square root of 3. This minus into minus is minus, so minus square root of 3. This is also same, square root of minus square root of 3 equal to, here minus into minus is plus, square root of 3 whole power 2. This minus square root of 3, this one. So this is 3 times of minus square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3. This is, so equal to, here this and this cancel each other. 3 times of minus square root of 3. So minus 3 square root of 3 equal to minus 3 square root of 3. Here LHS equal to RHS.